Hi, this is Will with Makeoff. I'm going to show you how to win more commercial electrical bids using artificial intelligence. So, bids like this one, actually. This is a great example. This is an electrical set for a multi-tenant shell fit out. And you can see there's a lot of notes, 7 pages. You might get this handed off to your estimating team, and the first thing that they're going to do is produce a takeoff. Now, once the takeoff is done, you will have a bill of materials, your list of device counts and quantities, all that great stuff. What you're going to do is usually people will build their estimates off of this. Instead, our team has built, using artificial intelligence, the optimal tool to fix your bids before they go out to the GC. And what I mean by fix is to produce a competitive electro bid package automatically in less than 5 minutes. So that means we will optimize for the lowest cost. We will produce a bid that is the most complete. And third, we will provide maximum choice through VE alternate creation, so that you can give the GC options to pick your bids over the other ones. So while your competitors are still struggling to pull together a base bid, you're coming to the table with the lowest defensible number and plenty of other options to go even lower. And so this, in our opinion, is going to help you win more electrical bids because lowest number seems to win. And in fact, in a lot of states, it's the law, at least for municipal projects, that's sort of carried on to GCs in the private sector as well. So when you log into Makeoff, what you would do is upload your takeoff, which is this document here. You'd upload your blueprint, which is the blueprint set we covered at the beginning of this. And once you hit this start button, you will get a takeoff that looks something like this. This system has looked up every single line item of your bill of materials and optimized for cost. It also understands that this is a commercial project. And for example, you didn't put copper here. Our system automatically knows that it's copper. And it knew to strand this wire because it knows that commercial projects typically require stranded wire above 10 AWG wire size. So our system's reasoning through and shopping through your vendor catalogs on every line item of your pre-approved vendors. And so what you get at the bottom here is your ultimate invoice, right? All of your line items, you've got labor in there, you've got your material costs baked in there, and you can export this to your invoice and send this directly to your GC. Now, the other thing we're going to be doing is reading the blueprint notes. So remember, lowest cost, we've used AI to shop every material and probably shaved 10 to 20% off of your bill of materials if you were just going to quote it traditionally. Second thing is most complete. Blueprint notes. We are reading the blueprint notes. So if you leave something out like temporary power, which is being flagged here, our system is reading this, reading your takeoff, and flagging it. So you can see here, you've got this missing item, and it is pulling in the supporting note and then letting you know that we don't see this in your takeoff. So you can protect your profit margins using the blueprint reader. And then finally, so lowest cost, most complete, finally, most options, right? So over here, I've already triggered our value engineer to create a value engineered alternate. And so what it's doing is replacing my case-mill feeder with aluminum. And then it decided that it did not need to upsize the PVC conduit. And so over here on my aluminum alternate bid, it does not have 600 case-mill copper anymore. If I scroll down here, it has matched to 750 aluminum. And it automatically understands that this is a effective swap. So when you're coming to the GC, your bid package will be the lowest cost, the most complete, and provide several options at almost no extra work for you, maybe 5 minutes. While your competitors are still struggling to get a base bid and call vendors, every price that we're quoting is live. So this is a real bid. The prices are good for 30 days, and you are coming into every bidding scenario with a leg up on your competition. Thank you.